This is Joe Peterson with MarineMax Clearwater. We're here today to show you our big and beautiful Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. This is a stunning, beautiful line boat. From its stainless steel anchor to its striking black and desert sand color on the hull, you can see the nice, very arranged, very well done hardtop. Also has the optional electric rear shade. This boat is powered and equipped with the triple 300 horsepower Mercury Verado 4-stroke engines with the joystick piloting. Coming aboard the boat, you see a very expansive rear deck area for sunning, which easily opens up to a chase lounge. Comfortable for 2-3 people. As you're walking into the cockpit, you notice not only the hardtop with the rear shade, but also the sunshade up top. This boat will have the mocha upholstery. Very elegant, very nicely done. Also the optional power table. It's in its up position right now. Down position, it'll go all the way down to the floor. This boat also has the optional electric grill. Refrigerator down below that. Beautiful helm area, all your electronics. There's your joystick operation for ease of docking. You actually have an area to the starboard side in front of the helm that opens up, has a step down. You have a single berth area to get out of the weather. Walking towards the bow, you'll see seating enough for a couple families. Very comfortable. There isn't a bad seat in this boat's total layout on it. Looking back towards the transom of the boat, again you'll see the beautiful laid out hardtop, stainless steel windshield, armrests for the seats up in the bow. That's your optional snap in, snap out vinyl carpet. Again, this is Joe Peterson with MarineMax of Clearwater. What a total package that they do on this boat. This will make somebody a very, very nice boat for the spring and summer coming up. Look forward to talking to you soon. Number is 727-536-2628. Have a great day.